I've always had an interest in becoming a police officer, and over the last couple of years, it really drew my attention. And then when my counselor said that this class was available, I decided to take it.
I took the first responders class because I figured out at the end of middle school I wanted to become a firefighter. It just helped get the basics down and out of the way, so that way I get everything done at an earlier stage in life.
Admin of Justice was useful for my future because I didn't know exactly what I wanted to do, but I knew I wanted to work in that field. And learning about the police, and we learned a lot about the history and police brutality and the background. I knew that that's when I kind of wanted to become a lawyer.
We get to meet cops and understand that they're just people, and then we get to do real life things. We dusted fingerprints, and we get to do a crime scene later on this year.
So criminal justice class will help me get experience to become a lawyer, which is something that I'm exploring as a career.
He's got the CPR mannequins.
He also has a screen that you can basically put any trauma situation into, and you can figure it out by yourself. And we're just now getting a 911 dispatch center so that we can put in that class so we can actually get a call.
Our teacher and the class overall just helped me discover what I wanted to do in the future, which is become a lawyer.
Criminal justice is, the curriculum itself is straightforward and more manageable for us.
I'd say take it. First responders class is fun, it's outgoing. You get to learn a lot of different life skills as well besides just medical skills.